Have you ever wondered about the existence of a marine creature that can transform its shape, color, and behavior to mimic other sea animals? This might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's a reality in our world's oceans. Meet the Mimic Octopus, Thaumoctopus mimicus, the sea's most astonishing imitator. Like a chameleon of the deep, it doesn't just blend with its surroundings, it takes camouflage to an entirely new level. It's not just the colors and textures it can match, but the Mimic Octopus can also imitate the physical form and behavior of other marine species. Imagine an octopus that can transform itself into a lionfish with its venomous spines fanned out in a perfect imitation. Picture it morphing into a flatfish, hugging the ocean floor as it glides stealthily along. Now envision it transforming into a sea snake with its arms bundled together and two of them waving menacingly above the sand. It's not fantasy, it's the Mimic Octopus. But it's not just about looking the part. The Mimic Octopus also adopts the behavior of the creatures it imitates. If it's pretending to be a lionfish, it will move like one, mimicking the distinct undulating swimming pattern. When it takes on the form of a sea snake, it will stay mostly buried in the sand, with its snake-like arms moving in a way that resembles a real sea snake. These stunning transformations serve a purpose. By mimicking dangerous or unappetizing animals, the Mimic Octopus deters predators, and by imitating harmless creatures, it can deceive unsuspecting prey. It's a survival strategy that's as brilliant as it is beautiful. So here we have a creature that can change its shape, color, and behavior to mimic a variety of other sea animals. It's a master of disguise, an illusionist of the ocean, and one of nature's most impressive performers. Indeed, the Mimic Octopus takes the art of imitation to a whole new level. But where does this extraordinary creature live? The Mimic Octopus resides in the vast, mysterious depths of the Indo-Pacific Ocean. This elusive master of disguise calls the sultry tropical waters of Southeast Asia home, specifically regions like the Philippines, Indonesia, and the Great Barrier Reef of Australia. The habitat of the Mimic Octopus is as intriguing as the creature itself. It prefers the sandy or muddy seabed, a seemingly monotonous landscape, yet rich with life and opportunities for disguise. The sandy seabed provides the perfect canvas for the Mimic Octopus's art of deception, a stage set for its extraordinary performances. The Mimic Octopus thrives in these sandy or muddy bottoms, often found in river mouths and estuaries, where the water is murky with sediment. This environment offers a multitude of hiding places and escape routes in the form of burrows and crevices. The Mimic Octopus is a bottom-dwelling species, spending most of its time scuttling along the seafloor, using its long, slender arms to probe the sand for small prey. The tropical waters it inhabits are teeming with a variety of marine species, many of which the Mimic Octopus can imitate. These waters offer a diverse cast of characters for the Mimic Octopus to draw inspiration from. The octopus observes, learns, and then applies its findings in a remarkable display of adaptive mimicry. Interestingly, the habitat of the Mimic Octopus also plays a significant role in its unique mimicry abilities. The murky waters blur the lines between predator and prey, creating an environment where the ability to disguise oneself becomes a valuable survival tool. The octopus uses its surroundings to its advantage, blending seamlessly into the background or impersonating other creatures to ward off potential threats. The Mimic Octopus is not just a resident of these waters, but an integral part of the ecosystem, a testament to the complex interplay of life beneath the waves. It is a creature that has turned survival into an art form, using the resources of its habitat to master the game of hide and seek. Now that we know where it lives, let's delve into the fascinating behaviors of this incredible creature. The Mimic Octopus is not just a passive observer in the ocean, it is an active participant in the world of marine mimicry. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the Mimic Octopus's behaviors, focusing on how it uses its mimicry abilities to evade predators and deceive prey. You see, the Mimic Octopus is not just a master of disguise, it's an actor, a performer on the ocean floor, taking on the roles of various marine creatures to ensure its survival. Imagine you're a predator, lurking in the depths, your eyes scanning for your next meal. Suddenly, you spot an octopus. But wait, it's not just any octopus, it's a venomous lionfish with its vibrant colors and intimidating spines. Would you dare to take a bite? Most likely not. And just like that, the Mimic Octopus has evaded a potential threat. But the Mimic Octopus doesn't just use its abilities to evade predators, it also uses them to deceive prey. Picture a small fish swimming along. When it spots a fellow fish, a flatfish, it swims closer, not suspecting a thing. Then, in an instant, the flatfish morphs into an octopus, its tentacles reaching out. Before the small fish knows what's happening, it's been captured. The mimic octopus can alter its shape, color, and behavior to match the creature it's imitating. It can transform into a myriad of marine species, from venomous lionfish to harmless flatfish, from stinging sea snakes to large jellyfish. Each transformation is a calculated move, a strategic decision based on the situation at hand. But how does it do it? How does the mimic octopus know which creature to imitate and when? How does it change its shape, color, and behavior so quickly and accurately? There's no script, no rehearsal, just instinct and adaptation. But what's the science behind these incredible shape-shifting abilities? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the enigma of the mimic octopus in the next scene. The mimic octopus is a living testament to the wonders of evolution and adaptation. This captivating creature has a unique skill set that sets it apart in the vast ocean. But what's the science behind this master of disguise? Let's delve into the depths of this intriguing creature's abilities. At the heart of its shape-shifting prowess are specialized cells called chromatophores. These pigment-filled cells are found just beneath the octopus's skin surface. Controlled by its muscular system, the octopus can expand or contract these cells at will, changing its skin color and pattern to match its surroundings or imitate other creatures. The mimic octopus takes this a step further, morphing not just its colors but also its shape and behavior. Then there's the octopus's muscular system, which is as flexible as it is strong. Without a rigid skeleton to restrict its movement, the mimic octopus can contort its soft body into a variety of forms, from the flat glide of a flounder to the venomous display of a lionfish. This flexibility, combined with its masterful control of chromatophores, allows the mimic octopus to perform its remarkable transformations. But what about the octopus's intelligence? The mimic octopus's behavior suggests a level of cognition that is rare among invertebrates. It's not just copying its surroundings, it's selecting specific animals to imitate based on the situation. Threatened by a damselfish, become a banded sea snake, a known predator of damselfish. This suggests the mimic octopus has a sophisticated understanding of its environment and the other creatures that inhabit it. So, what does all this tell us about cephalopod cognition? While it's still a subject of ongoing research, the mimic octopus's behavior hints at a complex cognitive landscape, one that involves learning from experience, problem-solving, and perhaps even planning for the future. This extraordinary creature continues to intrigue scientists and marine enthusiasts alike with its astonishing mimicry skills. As we continue to unravel the secrets of the mimic octopus, we gain a deeper appreciation of the fascinating complexity of life beneath the waves. The mimic octopus is a remarkable creature with abilities that continue to baffle and amaze us. This is an understatement when it comes to describing the Thaumoctopus mimicus, commonly known as the mimic octopus. It's not just the colors and textures this cephalopod can imitate, but also the physical form and behavior of other marine species. From the venomous lionfish, the swift-moving flatfish, to the deadly sea snake, the mimic octopus can transform into an array of underwater creatures to evade predators and deceive prey. It resides in the sandy seabeds of the Indo-Pacific Oceans, a home teeming with life and danger. Here the octopus has honed its skills of deception to an art form, a spectacle of survival in a world where being invisible is the key to living another day. The science behind this shape-shifting ability is fascinating. The mimic octopus adjusts its muscular hydrostat, the structure that forms its body, to take on the form of other creatures. It's a skill that requires not only physical adaptability but also a certain level of cognition to understand and replicate the behavior of other species. But why does it mimic such a wide range of creatures? Well, the theories are numerous. Some scientists speculate that it's a form of aggressive mimicry, using the guise of dangerous animals to ward off predators. Others suggest that it's a sophisticated survival strategy, giving the octopus a broader range of defensive options. The mimic octopus's behavior also offers us a glimpse into cephalopod cognition. Its ability to discern which creature to mimic based on the threat it faces suggests a level of intelligence that we are only beginning to understand. As we continue to delve into the mysteries of these master impersonators, we discover more questions than answers. The mimic octopus, with its extraordinary adaptive abilities, has become a symbol of the untapped secrets of the ocean, a tantalizing enigma in the vast underwater world. As we continue to explore the ocean's depths, the mimic octopus reminds us of the wonders that lie beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered.